people are not paying much attention to IoT because it's out of sight, out of mind. You have your cameras. Most of the cameras are running probably some version of Linux. It's probably bought by some security team or physical security team or your real estate folks. And they are probably on your network. And probably the password is admin, right? Because they would be convenient for them to change. And it's probably running an old version of Linux and nobody knows how to upgrade it, because if you upgraded this, the camera may stop working. So that you can imagine how many of those devices are going to be in the world. I mean, I found out I had problems with my Zoom from home, and I thought I had fiber to my home. Then I found out I had 19 IoT devices that I installed, but I didn't even know that I had them. I'd forgotten they were IoT devices. And so I had to disable all of them so I could get my work done. But the example is, first, if you see that, it'll be good to know how many devices you have. It'll be good to have a discovery. It's useful. It'll be good to know here are some exposures you have. But then I want to update them. I want to be able to, from the network, pretty much, put a circle around them and say, these things are infected. I don't want them to infect the rest of the LAN or rest of the network, right? So, and you cannot shut them down. And there are certain places like my garage door opener, it could be an IoT device, which is pretty critical to enter the building. So if it gets infected, I want to quarantine it. I don't want to shut it down. I just don't want it to infect other devices. So all those kind of challenges, you have to build in the security from a network standpoint, from a operating system environment, the cloud environment standpoint. So I think we are one of the companies who are uniquely positioned to do that.